Hi everyone, welcome to this video. And in this video, we're gonna discuss circle and its parts. So I hope you're gonna learn something on the basic parts of circle. Hi, so to discuss circle, so I'm gonna use now a application or a website. You can go to geogebra.org. So that's the website where I'm using. So you can log in using your Google account. So this is my account already logged in with that. So what I'm gonna do is that I'm going to select what I need to work on. So I'm gonna go with geometry. So um not to confuse everyone. So I'm gonna remove the axis. I'm gonna remove the snap grid. I'm I will not use any grid right now. So my focus now is to give you some idea of what is circle and its part. So I'm gonna use with circle. So I'm using now this one. So as you can see, this is a circle. So now a circle, if you could go with this one, I hope I could move this one. Yeah, okay, now I can move this one. So as you can see, this is a circle. Now a circle is a set of points in a plane that are equidistant from a fixed point that is known to be the center. Now, in this case, this is the circle. As you can see where my the finger cursor is there, that is a circle. However, this is now the center. So if you from this point to this point, that is all equidistant from A going there. So this is the set of points that we're talking about. So that is now a circle. So that's now the definition of the circle. And now let's go to other parts of the circle. Now, if you have a center and a point going to the circle, so let me just put a segment on there. So from A to B, as you can see, this is now what we call a radius. Okay, a radius is a segment from the center to the circle. Again, the radius, center to the circle. I believe I could put some text there. Yeah. So let me ha- let me put it here so I can put it that radius. Mhm. Okay. So so this is now the radius as you can see. So that's now how you put it there. So segment AB is your radius. Now, after that, you can now have another another segment that is from point of circle to another point of a circle. So, for example, let me just give a point here so that you have a name already. So here, and then another point here. So that's it, right? So if you could have that, and then you can put a segment from here to here. So if we have now a segment from one point of the circle to another point of the circle, we call that as a chord. Like, so let me just put it here. So let me just give a name to that. That's chord. Okay. So this is now a chord. So again, a chord is a segment from one point of the circle to another point of the circle. So you can see it's from point C to point D. Okay, are we good with that? I think we're good with that. So let me have it here. Let's have now the last part that we're going to discuss in this video. This is from this point to this point. Okay, as you can see, that's from D to E. So it's also a chord. However, it passes through the center, which is A, right? So if there is a chord that passes through the center, we call that as a diameter. So let me have that here. So oops, let me have that. It's a diameter. Okay. So as you can see, this is now the diameter. So those are the basic parts. So let me just put down A as the center so that you could have it as your reference center. And that is now some basic part of the circle. I hope you learned something with Circle and its parts. If you have any question, you can plug in your questions in the comment section so that I could answer it. And I hope you learned something. Have a great day.